clear, concise actions. Step number one, hire a CPA. If you don't have one, hire ours. If you have one and you don't think they're doing their job, hire ours. Number two, become an entrepreneur in some way, shape, or form, whether you're going to be in sales, you're going to be an MLM, like, whatever it might be. Like, make sure you've got something on the side to show, to say, this is why I write off my car payment or my office space or whatever that thing might be. Number three is play the 1 to 5 game. Okay, the 1 to 5 game means once a week, you're going to sit down, you're going to pull up your expenses, and you're going to rate them on a 1 to 5 scale. Okay, 1s were dumb, you return those. 2s were maybes, you return those. Or no, 2s were just bad timing, you return those. 3s were a maybe you return those, but probably you do. 4s are vital for living, survival. And then 5s could potentially produce income and reduce your taxes. Okay, if you do just that game, you'll be able to track your deductions a lot easier. If you name something a 5, find the receipt for it, put it in a spreadsheet, track it, take a picture, whatever you need to do, put it on your credit card statement so that you remember it's a 5. And at the end of the year, you can write it off and you can verify it if the IRS ever audited you and said, hey, prove this was tax deductible. Establish an S Corp. Once you start having profit, get the S Corp set up. You can straight up do an S Corp, or you could set up an LLC and elect to be taxed as an S Corp. That's a neat thing with LLC, is you get to pick when you file. And then next, establish a charity or find one that you like, give money to them. Make sure that you're doing that at a rate that makes sense to reduce your taxable burden, set up that home office, and then implement an accurate bookkeeping service or system with your CPA. If you do these things, you're going to be in good shape. These are just the basics. So we're not getting into a lot of the craziness you could be doing, but I'm going to tell you, if you do not have these basics down, the craziness will never happen. Okay, it actually will happen. It just won't be the craziness you want.